and we'll go to automatic peak cursor. And with this cursor, I can't move it, and that
Oh,
might seem like a limitation, but it's not. It's
it's
not
right
really.
on the peak. Yeah.
It's right on the peak, number one. I can do the same calculations. I can grab the Q. And if I want to look at multiple peaks, I can right click on the cursor with my mouse, go to automatic peak parameters, and then I can increase the number of extrema, number of peaks that I'm looking at. So let's go up to 3 maybe, hit
Oh,
apply
that's
there.
pretty slick. Pretty
Yeah,
slick.
so grab the next 3 highest peaks in there for me. I could also go back to the automatic peak parameters and I can fix it over a certain range. Maybe I'm just interested in data between, let's say, 350 hertz and maybe like 650, right? Even highlights it for me. Of course, you could change the
Oh,
color to
something.
whatever you
Oh,
like.
color. Damn.
Then, I mean, one peak is interesting, or one curve, I should say, but maybe you have multiple points you're looking at. And what you could do from that perspective is also go back to automatic peak parameters. Instead of the source data just being the first curve it's using for picking the peaks, for example, I could say selected curves, right? And if I apply that, then if I choose the green, right, now it's choosing also still within this region, all the peaks from the 3 related to the green curve. So let's just to show you that, let's turn off the fixed, apply that. We can see these are the 3 highest peaks on the green curve. For the blue, it would be these 3 as well.
Oh, yeah.
Or, if you wanted to judge for the 3 highest peaks from all the curves, you could turn that on and apply it. And it's very versatile, this cursor. So
Yeah.
that's the automatic peak picking cursor for us. And it also can pick valleys. But this is a 2D curve. And since we're talking about, that's really my first round thing, automatic peak picking. We could also do it with the color map, this automatic peak picking. So let's grab some data here from a run up. I need to grab this. And I'm going to look at this peak in dB.
So
It's
you're
more
gonna get the
interesting.
peak of this color map.
I'm going.
You like killed it with the peaks and the range and stuff, and now you have to, really kill me with this.
This is just an extra blow, another little jab here. We can go
Oh
to.
man,
We could add a double cross cursor.
double cross.
Double cross, right?
Ooh, now you're really reaching. Double
So
cross.
So you see you have actually 4 cursors, like 2 here on this y-axis of RPM and 2 on this frequency axis. And I can move it around, right? Let's say I position it here. And what we're doing is basically isolating or identifying this region of the data that we think is important for us. And now if I right click anywhere on one of these cursors, I can go to calculations and I say, hey, what's the maximum value in this region?
In
And it
that
tells me what
square
in
you
that
found.
square. And then I
Oh,
can move it around even after that, right? We can do things like right click on it and zoom into that region, take a closer look at order lines, hit backspace to get back. And of course, as well, you could also get the minimum inside of there also. So automatic peak picking, Pete. That's my
oh.
first round creative use of cursors for 2D and 3D data.